Today I'm gonna tell you how to make Indo-Chinese fried rice. Always remember, Chinese cooking is a high flame cooking. So for that, let's put gas on high flame and put 1 teaspoon of oil, preferably sesame seed oil. If you don't have sesame seed oil, then put vegetable oil. And now, firstly, we have to put ginger julienne. Yeah, ginger cut in julienne. Now let's put 3-4 cloves of garlic. Toss it up. And now put red bell pepper. Toss it up. Add little bit of cabbage. Again toss it up. Now add little bit of capsicum. Toss it once again. And now put a little bit of garlic leaf or spring garlic. That is an optional thing. If you have, you can put it, otherwise you can avoid it. Now add salt to taste, pinch of salt, and toss. Now add black pepper powder, toss it once again. Now add a little bit of soya sauce, about a teaspoon, and toss it. Now add spring onion just to give a freshness to the dish. Now add a bowl of cooked rice and toss it and mix it well. Mix it properly, cook for half a minute, and your Indo-Chinese fried rice is ready. So enjoy.